side down. Let's go. Oh, no, there it is back. Yeah.
But after, because it pops out into another exposure. Last time the snow was about this deep.
Yeah.
And it was really sketchy. So I don't know if you want to go that way or not.
No, I'd prefer not to.
Yeah.
Well, let me ask you this. Which way is the most difficult? That's the way I want to go.
That way.
It's crazy. Yeah, I got shorts on. Why not, right? Why not? You want to freeze yourself and get pelted by ice for an hour? Why not? All right, I just made it to the top of Mary's Peak. I'll tell you what, the conditions are brutal. 2,000 feet down the mountain, there's no snow at all. And up here, my watch shows that I'm 4,259 feet above sea level. I don't know what the official elevation is here, but it's high enough to have feet of snow. So I'm ready to go back down. But this is amazing. I'll see you back down at the bottom. So I'm back down to like 2,300 feet above sea level. So we dropped about 2,000 feet. And you can see there's snow. And the snow that's falling is actually switching over to rain. About 12 more miles to go. Be back at the truck soon. Justin had to go poop. He's somewhere back in those woods. I offered to put him in this video. He declined. Well, I'm just gonna walk. At 24.28 miles. Got about 5 miles to go, I think. Ended up with 5,300 feet of vertical. Oh, there comes Justin now. I wonder how things went. I think I'll ask him. How'd it go? Huh? Did you get any on you? So did you get any on you? Well, back at the truck, I ended up with 31.2 miles and 5,757 feet of vertical. So now I'm gonna clean up a little bit and drive 2 hours back home. Glad that's done.